Hello and welcome to Asan Hai Education. In this video, we will discuss about Global Energy Transition Index, which is released by World Economic Forum, and recently India has moved up to two places and it is ranked 74th in the index. So last year India's rank was 76th. This year India's rank is 74th, and you have to remember this fact that this Global Energy Transition Index is released by World Economic Forum, can be a potential question for your prelims examination. Okay, now let us see this news. On May 13, 2020, the World Economic Forum WEF released Global Energy Transition Index, which is also known as GET Index. Okay, India has moved up to 74th rank, and this is the improvement of 2 rank. Okay, last year India was ranked at 76th, showing improvement in the key parameters such as energy security, growth and environmental sustainability. Okay, because of lockdown has a good role to play in improvement in showing India's rank. So the recent report which was released by World Economic Forum named as Global Energy Transition Index, India has moved up to 74th rank and it has showed improvement in the key parameters such as energy security, growth and environmental sustainability. Okay, and this was a major contribution of lockdown. Now let us see what is this index all about. This Global Energy Transition Index, the World Economic Forum has ranked 115 countries based on the GET Index, that is Global Energy Transition Index, in its report World Economic Forum Fostering Effective Energy Transition 2020 report. This name of the report can be very important. The index has been framed based on the current performance of the energy systems of the countries, environmental sustainability, energy security, and also based on indicators such as readiness for transition to sustainable, secure, affordable, and inclusive energy system. Okay, so this report was released by World Economic Forum and it has ranked 115 countries, and India was ranked 74 out of 115, and this index was named as World Economic Forum's Fostering Effective Energy Transition 2020 report. Okay, and this report was based on the parameters of like energy system of the countries, environmental sustainability, energy security, and also based on indicators such as readiness for transition to sustainable. It means you are able to transit from traditional form to modern form, which will save your energy. Okay, and secure, affordable and inclusive energy system. So all these were the parameters. Okay, these environmental sustainability, energy security, and also based on indicators such as readiness for transition to sustainable, secure, affordable and inclusive energy system. Okay, according to the report, 75% of the countries have improved their environmental sustainability. According to World Economic Forum's Energy Transition Index, 75% of the countries has improved their environmental sustainability, and this is due to COVID-19 lockdown all over the world. Now let us see some of the highlights of this report. We are talking about Global Transition and Index. We are talking about Energy Transition Index of the World Economic Forum. So according to this report, Sweden has topped the ranking for the third consecutive year. It was followed by Switzerland and Finland. Okay, only France on the 8th position and UK on the 7th position were the only G20 countries in the top 10. So this Energy Transition Index, which is released by World Economic Forum, in this report Sweden has topped the ranking for third consecutive year, and Sweden was followed by Switzerland and Finland. Okay, and France was on the 8th position and UK was on the 7th position, and France and UK were the two countries of G20 which were ranked in top 10. Okay, now let us see some of the more important facts related to India as well. According to the ranking, India and China were the emerging centers of demand in the world. Okay, due to their market availability and consumer base. The United States stood at 72nd rank, Canada was at 28th, Brazil at 47, Australia at 36th. For the first time, US ranked outside top 25%. Okay, so United States was ranked at lower rank, and Canada was 28, Brazil 47. All these rank you have to not remember. You have to remember only this, that according to the ranking, India and China were the emerging centers of demand in the world, and more than 75% of the countries have improved their environment sustainability. Okay, see some of the highlights regarding India also. The report says that India has made significant improvement by expanding its energy program. Which program it is talking about? This has been achieved by making bulk procurement of LED bulbs, okay, and smart meters, and also by launching program for labeling of appliances. For example, 3 star, 5 star. So these labeling of star makes an appliance efficient and it also saves energy, okay. So the program LED Ujala was also discussed, okay. And India is one of the few countries that has made consistent progress since 2015 according to the report, okay. The report also says that only 11 countries have made significant progress since 2015. So what we have discussed in this index, that this index which is named as Global Energy Transition Index, which is also known as GET 2020, has been released by World Economic Forum. Global Energy Transition Index has been released by World Economic Forum, and India has moved up to 2 places, and it was ranked 74th out of 115 countries this year, okay. And more than 75 countries, more than 75% of the countries in the world have shown improvement in their environment sustainability index, okay. At last, you have to remember that Global Energy Transition Index, GET index, is released by World Economic Forum. This can be a potential question for your prelims examination. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.